Assalamu alaikum to all the students out there. Miss Samia here. I welcome you all to the virtual learning English literature of Guards Public School 1. Today, the chapter I am going to explain you all is A Polar Explorer. This chapter is a life sketch of 19th and early 20th centuries great explorer Roald Amundsen. Childhood and early life. Roald Amundsen was born on 16th July 1872 in Norway. Several members of his family were involved in maritime trade or shipping industry. But Roald developed his interest in traveling and exploring the world. When he was in his teens, his mother encouraged him to be a doctor to avoid the dangers of sea life. To honor his mother's wish, he enrolled at college to study medicine, but quit it after her death to pursue his dreams to be an explorer. Life as an explorer. Amundsen, as crew member of expedition, learned doctors' hunting skills that kept the crew members free from scurvy. Scurvy is a disease caused by the lack of vitamin C. The symptoms of the disease causes loss of teeth, excessive bleeding from different parts of the body that finally results in death if not cured properly. Amundsen as leader of expedition. At the age of 28, he leads his first expedition with his own ship, Joa. This ship is still on display at the Fram Museum in Oslo, capital city of Norway. In 1903, Amundsen took a crew of 6 men on Joa. He led his successful expedition to traverse Canada's Northwest Passage. Finally, after 3 years, in 1906, this difficult expedition was completed. South Pole Expedition. On 14th December 1911, Mr. Amundsen beats the British expeditor and became the first to reach the South Pole. North Pole Expedition. Getting to North Pole by ship wasn't possible, so they attempt to travel by plane. The first attempt to the North Pole was made in 1925 but remained unsuccessful. In 1926, Amundsen teamed with the crew of an airship named Norge and became the first verified explorer to reach the North Pole. Roald wrote an autobiography on his personal experiences as an explorer. The book named My Life as an Explorer, that first published in 1927. One of his experience that is also mentioned in your textbooks, in which Amundsen and his crew member encountered with Eskimos who were all armed. Amundsen instructed his army to throw their rifles on the ground. The Eskimos' leader imitated and commanded his followers to throw their bows and arrows. Then both the leaders came out alone to communicate, but not having a common language to communicate, they show their positive expression, body gesture, and voice tone reciprocating to be friends, rather being rivals. Soon they were all friends. Amundsen even invited them to their ship. Lifetime achievements. The sea route through the Arctic Ocean from the Atlantic to the Pacific is called Northwest Passage. Amundsen was the first to pass through it. Amundsen was claimed to be the first person to explore both the poles, south and north. Death of Mr. Amundsen. On June 1928, at the age of 55, Amundsen died in a plane crash accident on his way to rescue Italian crew members who were stuck in the Arctic. But this rescue mission turned down into death for Amundsen and rest of his crew, making headlines of the leading newspaper of the time. After reading the chapter from the textbook and watching the video carefully, you will be able to complete the home assignment. Question number 1. Find out the meaning of the following words. You can use dictionary for it. Question number 2. Make sentences of the given words. Write short answers of the following questions. Make sure they all should be to the point. Question number 4. Fill the blank spaces of the following statements. Question number 5. State whether the statement is true or false. Activity. The lifetime events of Amundsen's life are mentioned in this grid. You just need to write the correct year in which the event took place. Victory awaits him who has everything in order. Roald Amundsen. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully you have learned and enjoyed it as well. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.